Was it worth it? Hands down, it's a 10.
What is the one thing that most 50 plus women have in common? Dry skin, brittle hair, all of those good things. If you don't have a water softener, you can buy these like little water filters and they hook right onto your shower. I am actually going to follow the directions that came with this one. I got it from Amazon. And I'm going to let you know how easy this is. I hope it's easy. We're about to find out. I'm going to use it for 7 days and then do my full review on the difference, the changes in the dryness of my skin or lack thereof. These quality shower water purifiers can reduce chlorine levels in your shower water by 80 to 95%. And this helps cut down on hair dryness and skin dryness by removing chlorinated water before it hits our midlife skin. So come with me. I'm going to read the instructions here. Apparently it's quite easy to do. Who needs a man? And I'm going to do a review after 7 days and let you know if this is worth the investment. I will put the price here. I think it was like $45, something like that. So come along with me. Okay, so here we go. Let's give this a whirl. First things first is my glasses. Place the shower filter under a faucet and let the water flush for about 20 seconds until the water's clear. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Step 2, remove the shower head or bracket. Let's see, I don't know how you remove this. Apparently it's not that easy. Okay, remove that. Does this remove? How's this come on? Does this come off here? Oh, it does. See? Look. Oh! Ah! Okay. A lot of water in there. All right, so I got that done. How hard could this be, right? I am woman, hear me roar. All right, I got the instructions soaking wet. Now, attach the shower filter to the shower arm. Okay. All right, so then, so excited to wash my hair with this and my skin feel healthy again. So, all right, so male, female, that I do know. Then you put it in here like this. So far, it's a little bit, it's pretty easy. Just my hands are sliding because they're wet. And this goes back in here. Okay, so where we do have a problem, once you use the filter, obviously this becomes saturated in water and a lot heavier. So guess what? It's now too heavy for the magnet and it's literally just hanging there. So this is a little bit of a dilemma. I don't want it falling into the tub, clearly, right? So I might have to get like an extra clip or something like that because the magnet is not holding. It feels like it's going to drop off any second. I don't want this smashing in the tub, maybe chipping the tub, or obviously this filter breaking. So I may need to get a, I don't know, some kind of a hook or something here. I will figure that out. TBD. For now, I'm just going to let it hang. Here's my 14-day review of the water filtration system that I put on to my shower head.
Was it worth it? Hands down, it's a 10. So worth it. I noticed a difference right away in my skin and my hair after using this shower filter. Winter weather and indoor heat, it can be very hard on our skin and our hair, especially after menopause. My skin felt more hydrated, my hair felt softer, less wiry, and easier to manage. I didn't want to spend $2,000 to $3,000 right now on a full water softener, so this was a much more affordable option. Installation, as you saw, was pretty easy, not too hard at all. I ended up using a small clip to hold the shower up, and it's worked very well. It's just a simple, inexpensive way to combat dry skin, dry hair, and feel better overall. When your skin and your hair feel good, it kind of gives you a little pep in your step, and you just feel happier, right? So I hope that this content has been useful and helpful. And if you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, and don't forget to hit subscribe for my weekly content. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.